Sometimes we don't have to say anything. Sometimes you just have to walk over near them. In the high school, when I have a kid, I have these little girls in their cell phones, and they got that big old Coach purse that I can go away for 2 weeks in, but they carry it every day to school. And I'm like, what is in that purse? It's like they're all ready to, get on a plane any day or any minute. And they put it in front of them, and because they're young and they don't quite understand, they think that I don't know that when they turn their phones on, it kind of glows. Like, you using your phone? No. Glow. So I know this stuff. I'm the adult. So my job is not to say, are you using your phone? Put that away. Go to ISI. My job is to walk my body behind that child and stand there and continue teaching. So let's talk about that stuff we talked about yesterday. And I'm behind her and she's like this. What is she going to do? Yeah, she's going to put it away because she doesn't want me to see what she's doing. And I'm really annoying and she wants me to get away from her. Those are management techniques. So we just do it and it works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.